In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in SetMore. Whether you're streamlining your contact list or removing duplicate entries, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's ensure your database stays neat and organized by removing any unnecessary entries. First, open your web browser and head over to the SetMore website by typing in the URL www.setmore.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you've entered the correct email address and password associated with your SetMore account to gain access to the platform. If you've forgotten your password, SetMore offers a forgot password link to help you reset it quickly. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. There, you'll find a vertical menu that provides quick access to various features. Locate the tab labeled Customers and click on it. This section is your go-to place for managing all your client information, from adding new customers to making updates, and of course, deleting them when necessary. Now that you're in the Customers section, your next step is to find the particular customer you wish to delete. You can do this by utilizing the search bar, which is especially handy if you have a long list of clients. Simply type in the name of the customer or part of it to narrow down the results. Alternatively, you can scroll through your customer list just to locate the individual manually. Once you've identified the customer you want to remove, click on their name to open their profile. Here you'll find all the details about this particular client, from contact information to past appointments. It's a good idea to briefly review this information to ensure you're selecting the correct customer for deletion. In the customer profile, look for the trash icon, or you might see a button labeled Delete. This is your gateway to removing the customer from your database. Hover over or click that icon or button to proceed. Before the customer is permanently deleted, SetMore will ask you to confirm this action. This is a crucial step as it prevents accidental deletions. A confirmation dialog box will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the customer. Click yes or confirm if you're certain about this action. And there you have it. The customer is now removed from your list. Following these steps will help you maintain an up-to-date customer database in SetMore. It's as simple as logging in, selecting customers, finding the profile, and confirming deletion. Keep your customer management efficient and accurate by regularly reviewing and updating your client list. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.